Seems like it is very hard to learn tables, right? There is one easy trick in maths which will help us make tables instead of learning. In this, there is one rule which is compulsory to be followed. Myself, Devansh Savsani, today we will learn how to make tables. So, the rule is that we need to learn tables from 1 to 10. It is very compulsory. If you know tables from 1 to 10, then you will be able to make these all tables or any numbers tables. So let's start how to make tables. Here, first we will write this line of 6. So we will have to add 6 to this 6. So it will be 12. So we will write 2 here. And we will not write 1 as reminder. We will put a dot here for 1 reminder. Then we will have to add 6 to this again. It is not considered as 12. It is considered as 2. This is only a reminder. So we will have to add 6 and 2. It will be 8. Right here 8. There is no reminder in this. Then again we will add 6 to 8. It will be 14, right? 4 here and there is one reminder. Then we will have to add 6 with 4. It will be 10. So 0 and 1 again reminder. Then 6 plus 0, 6. Then 6 plus 6, 12. 2 and 1 reminder. Then 6 plus 2, it will be 8. Then 6 plus 8 will be 14. 4 here, 1 carry forward. And then 6 plus 4, it is 10. 1 carry forward. So there are 10 multiples. Means there are 10 numbers there. So the table till 46 into 10 will be till here. Next we will add 4 to 4 again. Then 4 plus 4 is 8 and here is one reminder. So it will be 9 because 8 plus 1 is 9. So write here 9. Then add 4 to 9 again. So it will be 13. Write directly here 13. Then we will add 4 to 13. It will be 17 plus here one reminder. It will be 18. Then we will have to add 4 again. So it will be 22 plus 1 reminder. It will be 23. Then 4 to 23. It will be 27. Then 27 plus 4. It will be 31 plus 1 carry forward. So it will be 32. Then 32 plus 4 because there is no carry forward. It will be 36. Then 4 again to 36. It will be added. So it will be 40 plus 1 reminder. 41. Then plus 4, it will be 45 plus 1 reminder again. It will be 46. So our answer. So this is our table. 46 ones are 46. 46 twos are 92. 46 threes are 138. 46 fours are 184. 46 fives are 230. 46 sixes are 276. 46 eights are 46 ones are 46, 46 twos are 92, 46 threes are 138, 46 fours are 184, 46 fives are 230, 46 sixes are 276, 46 sevens are 322, 46 eights are 368, 46 nines are 414 and 46 tens are 460. Let's make the other 3 tables. So in this 77, so we will do in speed now. So 7 plus 7, 14, 4, 1. Then 7 again, 11, 1. Then 7 plus 1, it will be 8. Now carry forward. Then 8 plus 7, it will be 15. 5, 1 carry forward. Then 7 plus 5, it will be 12. 2, 1 carry forward. Then 2 plus 7, it will be 9. 9. there will be no carry forward. Then 9 plus 7, it will be 16. So 6 and 1 carry forward. Then 7 plus 6, it will be 13. So 3 and 1 carry forward. 7 plus 3, it will be 10. So we have 10 numbers now. There is 1 carry forward here. Then 7, so it will be 14. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. Then 15 plus 7, it will be 22 plus 1, 23. Right, 23. Then 23 plus 7, it will be 30. And as there is no remainder, we will write 30 here. Then 30 plus 7, it will be 37 plus 1, 38. 38. Then 38 plus 7, it will be 45 plus 1, 46. 46. Then 46 plus 7, it will be 53. Alright, 53. 53 plus 7, it will be 60 plus 1, 61. 61. 61 plus 7, it will be 68 plus 1, 69. Then 69 plus 7, it will be 76 plus 1, 77. So here the table is made. Let's do third table. It will be 4, then 8, then 12. So 2 here, 1 carry forward. Then 2 and it will be 6. Then 10. Then again 4. Then 8. Then 2. Then 6. Then 10. So our table is second line is made. Then let's do of 1. So it will be directly 2. Then 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Then 5. Then 6 and 1, 7. 7. Then 8. Then 9. 10 and 11. Then 12. And 13 and 1, 14. So this is our 14th table. Next 31. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 and 1 carry forward. Next 3, it will be 6, 9. We will write direct table of 3. It will be 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30, but 1 carry forward, so it will be 31. So I hope you have learned how to make tables now. So it will be very easy to make tables. Thank you. Bye.